Hello everyone. This is Satvik, and in this live session, I'll be providing you the complete walkthrough of a hack the box retired machine, which is named as Netmon. So let's wait for some time till some guys join, and if you're also having a VIP membership, make sure you set up your VPN. So guys, I downloaded VPN file, a VPN configuration file for the first time, and yes, this is my different machine. I'm trying this on a virtual box. Okay, the latest version of Kali Linux. Let me open my terminal here, and there is some cool things here. The new version of Kali Linux is completely dependent on ZSH. Means by default, the shell you get is ZSH. Okay, if you don't know, do a little bit of research. It is a little bit cooler compared to Bash, but if you are a little bit familiar with older versions of Kali, then you will definitely love Bash. So, so you'll get some features like autocomplete like this. Okay, you can simply autocomplete, open VPN. So I connected to VPN, guys. You can see here, and let me turn on the Netmon as well. I already solved this machine. Okay, so I'll solve this machine for the first time. So I'll solve this machine uh, and then I will try to help your clear your doubts. Let's search for yes. Yeah, Netmon is here. I'll start this machine, and I'll also show you how I will take notes. Okay, while I'm doing these capture the flag tournaments. So stay tuned. Let this machine start. The machine spawned here. You can see, I think the screen is visible, right? Yeah, it's clear. The machine is spawned and the IP is 52 152. Okay, let me open a new tab here, and let me make a directory named netmon, and let me navigate to that, and I'm using sublime text. Okay, in order to take my notes.md. So I'll be using markdown here. Here I got my sublime text, and yes, now it's fine. On, so I'll take the IP 10.10.10.159. So 152. Okay, 152, and this is Windows based machine. You can see here, this is a Windows machine. Windows machine. And now let me enlarge. Yeah, I think it's fine for you guys for now. And now let's go with scanning. So I will show you how you can do some two types of scanning. General scan, which is nmap minus sc for default scripts for versions, and for output nmap scan.txt, and let my IP is and the IP is 10.10.10.159. 152, right? So I'll run this scan again on my in. Okay, and map minus sc minus sv dot txt, and then the IP is 10.10.10.152. Okay, also let me check. No, just a minute. So let me remove this for a while. First let me ping this and see 152. Yeah, I'm able to ping it. So I'll run my scan. Okay, because sometimes even though the machine is started, we can't ping that. So I marked as -pn, telling that not to ping. So this saves a little bit of time, which can be really helpful in the long run. So yeah, let's wait till the result comes. And also there is another complex scan, guys. Okay, let me come to my notes. Let me note it as result. If you don't know what I'm using Markdown. Okay, so Markdown is also like a simple programming language, but this is not. This is like little bit of HTML. Okay, where you can mostly this is used for taking notes. Okay, if you are familiar with GitHub, you will be knowing what Markdown is. So let's wait till our result comes. Yes, we got the result here. We can see the FTP is open with anonymous login, means we don't need to provide any credentials. Hi Gautam, hi. And here on there is also port 80 is open, which is running on some PRTG bandwidth monitor, and yeah, some scripts, but these are not useful. Is Markdown and README are same. README is nothing but a Markdown file. Okay, you can see that readme.md. So md, if you find an extension md, which is means Markdown. Yeah, Gautam, it just takes hardly 10 to 20 minutes to learn Markdown. This is like it's similar to like HTML. Okay, but this can be really helpful. So I'll take this in my notes, guys, so that we can have it. My notes, yes, I'll paste it in my notes. Yeah. So this is my notes, guys. You can see here, and here we got some port FTPs open, port 21, which is allowing anonymous login, and port 80 is open. So let's see what is available on port 80. So it's same 10.10.10.152. Let's see what's available there. So there is something like PRTG network monitor. So yeah, this I think this is itself a what you call a version. I hope so, because in the scan also we got something here like PRTG bandwidth monitor. So let's check whether there are any vulnerabilities related to this PRTG PRTG monitor exploit. So yeah, we got one from exploit database. So let's check it. Yeah, good morning, Vedant. Good morning. So we got a script here, guys, which is authenticated. So the requirement for this script is we need to be authenticated. Okay, so that's the meaning of this thing. So let's see what we are required. So it is asking. So what it is basically doing is it is adding a new user to the administrators group. Okay, cool, with the same default passwords. And it is asking something like these are cookies, guys. Okay, octopus 181371394 is nothing but a cookie. Okay, so you get a cookie when you signed up, right? Better to make before and that is okay. So let's leave it. I'm having some work, so I started it little bit earlier. So these are nothing but cookies, guys. Okay, so as the script says that we need to be authenticated in order to run the script successfully. Okay, so we need to be authenticated, so that so we need to have the cookie values here. So let's see how we can get into this. Let's look into any PRTG default credentials. So when you log in for the first time, the login name and password. Let's see this. Let's see whether we can find anything interesting. This a little bit. Supported browser, PRTG admin and PRTG admin. Okay, that's fine. PRTG admin and PRTG admin. So yeah, I think the default credential doesn't work. So the default credentials are not at all working here. So what we'll be doing is let's try to let's try to find the content in this web page. So let me use Dirtbuster. You can use Dirtbuster or GoBuster, anything is fine. So let me open that. Let me close some so that I can save some RAM. And notes is fine for us. Let me increase my threads and let me use something like user share word list. Hi Rakib, hi. Oh, sorry. I think I gave wrong name. So yes, so I'm using directory list 2.3 medium text file. Okay, so that's fine. Let's see. In the meantime, let's enumerate the FTP. Okay, so let's see what we have there as well. So let this go on, guys, and let's see. In the meantime, let's see what's there on FTP as well. So FTP, in order to interact with FTP, simply type FTP 10.10 and the IP 152. Since it is allowing anonymous login, so I will go with the anonymous, and the password I'll simply hit enter so that we logged in, guys. Let's see what are there, and we have some files. I think there is users, so let's navigate to that. Let's see whether we get anything. ls administrator is there. Cool. Access denied, so we need to do privilege escalation. Let's go to public as well. ls. Okay, yeah, we got the user.txt file, guys. So let's cat that for txt invalid command. So we'll get that file. That's fine. We'll get user.txt. So get is nothing like nothing but downloading. Okay. Yes, we downloaded it. Let me open a new tab and let me look. Yeah, we got user.txt. Yeah, we got user file, guys. It's really simple. Okay, I haven't done anything. There is simple FTP anonymous login allowed. So I simply logged in and I had seen whether we got it or not. Dude, please say how many process you need to perform Active Directory. To perform Active Directory, you need to have a good amount of resources like 2 core. I think 4 cores is fine. I hope so. Uh, and that too depends on how much powerful your cores are. Okay, like for every processor there are cores, and those processors has different power. Okay, that depends on power. So tell me your laptop configuration. I'll tell you what will be fine. So mine is i7. So uh, 2 cores is fine to run Active Directory on my machine. So let's come to the topic, guys. And here you can see that we got a user.txt file. Let's come back. Let's come back once again. Where are we? Yes, we came to the home. i5 I have 4. So it would be tough, Rakib, for you because you need to give 2 cores and try it. Okay, give 2 cores and try it, and you can join my Discord server. Okay, there is a separate section for how you can handle these hardware issues and some better recommendations. Okay, you can join there. we haven't got anything, guys, and the response is even 401. So that's not fine for us. Let me stop this thing. Okay, let me stop this thing. But directory hunting is waste for us right now. Yeah, okay. There are some guys out there, they'll definitely help you. And let's see what's the location. So it's the PRTG install location. Let's see where it is available. So it is in service. This is showing services. PRTG server administrator. Let's see where this is. Let's try with program data. So ls minus la. So here you have something called program data. It is showing that it is available there. So what I did was I searched for where's the location the PITG monitor is available, and I got saying that it is available in program data. So in order to view all the directories, you need to use a command called ls. For that, extension is ls minus la. Okay, so that lists all the hidden directories as well. Let me look what are available there, and here you can see that there are something, and it is showing that it is also available in Pestler. Okay, if you read this document perfectly, you can see that it is available in Pestler. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but that's where that's the location where it is available. CDP AESSLER. We look ls, and there you can see the PRTG network monitor. So let's navigate to this directory. Let me paste. Okay. So okay, so what I'll be doing is cd. I'll put that in quotes. I think yes, now it's fine for us. So guys, here you can see some data over here. You can see the logs, you can see the PRTG configuration.dat files. So whenever you find a dat files or .bak files, dat files is nothing but data files, and back files is nothing but backup files. If you find this on any machine, definitely get them to your machine, okay, so that you can view what's there in that as well. So I will download all of them. Let me copy this. Let me get that, need that configuration.old, next old.dat. So what I'm doing is I'm downloading all of them. Okay, so if I do an ls, okay, where's downloaded? Okay, so I think I need to provide codes. Yeah, that's the issue. That's the issue, guys. I think now it is downloaded. Yes, now it is downloaded. The reason the reason it threw the error is because I haven't used codes. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't work. So that's fine. And another file is .old.pack. .old. Let's wait because I think these might be bigger files. Pack. So I downloaded all of them. If you do an ls here, you can see those files. Okay, you can see those files. So Rakib posed the question over there. Okay, someone would definitely help you. There is a section called PC queries. Okay, post your question there. Okay, I will either me or someone would help you. Okay, so let me come back and let's see what are available here. Let me open with Sublime editor. Is it available or not? Yes, it is available. Let's check for password. Let's check for password. There are just these are XML format. I hope so. uh a minute, I found something else up. What? These all are encrypted, so they cannot be helpful for us. So let's see whether we find any data here. No, so there are nothing that are useful for us. Old. Hi Sandeep. Hi. How are you preparing for your exams? Let me look into the password. Not finding anything. Cool man, cool. I'm doing good. So even this is unuseful for us. So let's try with last file. Yeah, I hope it's having it. Since I solved this again, since I solved this previously, here you can see the credentials, guys. You can see the DB password and the user is prtgadmin and the password is prtgadmin 2018. Yes, 2018. Let me copy this. Let me go back to our page. Let's try to log in with these credentials. What it thrown again? Thrown error again. So let's try to change the years. Okay. prtgadmin. Let me paste that. Who's the format? Yes. Let's try to change the last digit. So I think yes, we got it, guys. We got it. So what I did was really simple. So there is a default password in one of the backup files. Okay, so when I searched for password, I found the password in prtg configuration.old.back. So that's a backup file. And when I searched for the string password, I got something like user prtgadmin, and there is a password here prtgadmin 2018. So when I tried the default thing, it didn't work. So what I did was I tried to change the year to 2018 to 2019, and it worked fine. I think it should be 2020 because right now we are in 2020. I think the guy haven't changed it this year. Okay, so anyhow we got the access, and previously we had found an exploit which is asking us for a cookie. So since we logged in, there is something called cookie manager for Firefox. I think it's available. If this is not the one, is this the one? No, this is not the one I used. They removed it or what? Yeah, the one. No. Or let's try with inspect element. Check. I'm inspecting the element. So there, I think you can see some cookies. If not, we need to go there. Memory, command, memory, showing anything in memory, debugger. So let's sorry, there is something called document.cookie. So what I'm doing is really simple. I looked into the cookie. I think this is not showing perfectly. There is something called octopus. I think my in hand. Just a minute, guys. Hang just a minute. So this is the exploit, and Let me find for it once again. Let me download any one of them. I think I use something in my machine. Yeah, this is the one. Name is cookie editor. I searched for cookie manager. So this shows you every cookie out there on that machine. Okay, let's got it. Let me close this. Let me open this. Yes, here you can see something, a cookie named octopus and some random value. So this is what our exploit is asking here. If you can see it here, it's shown an example of usage. It is asking for the URL, and then it is asking for the cookie, and then we can successfully get into the machine. Okay, so now let's download this bash file. I think it's, yes, it's bash. So what I'll be doing is I'll close this connection by, and let me move my uh, downloads to here as exploit.sh. If I look into it, you can see something called exploit.sh. So I'll make it executable. So let's see whether everything is fine. Let me close these things. So that's how, guys, you need to take notes by using Markdown. I'll close that as well. So yeah, this is the same script, guys. We got it previously. So let's try to /exploit.sh. Yeah, this is what we got here. So it is asking, so let's try to do what it is asking for. -u to specify the URL. I think I closed it. Yeah, here we have a cookie here. So yeah, let's look into it. HTTP colon slash slash 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 152 slash, and I'll specify the cookie, which is let's copy from our cookie editor. Sorry, is this? Yes. So let's copy the cookie name. Control Shift V colon, that colon. I think it's equal to, yes, that's uh, equal to, and let's put the value here, which is available here. Control C, Control Shift V. Let's see, thing goes good. There's a problem with this dot slash. Let's see what's the solution for this thing. I haven't got this kind of error in the meantime. Getting error while executing a pin file, sorry, bash file. So what's the solution? So let's try to do that once again. That can be the issue as well. It is throwing some errors. Okay, so see what we need to do. uh, just a minute, guys, I'll read into some of those articles and then I'll come back. Haven't encountered this kind of error in the meantime. Okay, so the reason might be since I'm using let's try to, okay, so what is asking is the script file. Yes, now I think it will work fine for us. Yes, now it is working fine. Just a minute, let me clear once again and let me run that for you. Sometimes this slash works. Yeah, we need to remove that slash, okay, so that it will not show you any HTML stuff. And guys, if this script ran successfully, you can see a new user named pentest will be created, and the password will be pentest. Okay, pentest with exclamatory mark. And we need to use something called psexec. So psexec is just a minute. For that you need to have impacket in your machine. So you can see psexec. So mostly psexec helps us in getting a remote connection. Yeah, thank you, Kanal. Thank you. So here you can see the process going on. Here you can see the file is created, sending the notification, and it added, I think it might be added the user pentest with the password, this thing. And let me show you how you can use a psexec. So psexec is really simple thing. So if you want to get a remote connection, you can make use of this thing. So this is how you can use it. Okay. Hello. This is how you can use it. Let's try. Let's try that out. Yes, now you can see that the script is completed. So psexec they had given for us. Let me close this thing. So how you connected to jet security? I just write blocks there, dude. Okay, so I post my videos as blocks. Okay, so that's how I'm associated. So in the sans page you can see something here. uh, let's see anything. This is not clear. This is not at all clear for me. So how are you connected to jet security? Yes, that's how I used to read their blogs out there when I started my hacking. So like that I posted my videos there. That's all. That there is nothing. There is no any connections or anything else. So let's try this sans only. I think that might be not correct, but let's see whether it works or not. psexec, we need to provide the username, which is pentest colon, and we need to specify the codes here. Yeah, bro, we can post there. Yes, yeah, you can post there only. That's all. There is nothing else regarding. Okay, let me copy the password that they given. And what's the thing we need to do? At the rate, right? At the rate of 10.10.10.152. We try to connect to this. So yes, you can see the requesting shares is going on, and I think we will get a shell in a few minutes or few seconds. So we got the shell. Okay, so let me look. Who am I? Yeah, we are NT authority system. So we successfully exploited this machine to the root level, and you can see that's a fairly simple. And for this you need to have psexec. So if you want to install psexec, there is something called impacket. So you need to download this impacket. Okay, you can simply clone it, and you need to run the setup file. Okay, dot slash setup install. And yeah, that's how you can simply do that. And guys, so that's how you can attack this netmon. So this is fairly simple machine. So let me minimize. And so that's how, guys, it's completed for us. It's completed. Okay, so If you have any doubts or anything else, please post that out in the comment section or in the chat so that I can help you out. If you have any doubts, comment below, okay, or I will provide you the link for my Discord server, okay, please join there. Yeah, Hitesh, tell me, man, how do I prepare for OSCP? So first of all, for OSCP or for any exam, you need to learn the methodology of how to hack, okay. So that's the basic thing. So that's the reason why uh most of the people uh, practice on try hack me or hack the box. Okay, please do privilege escalation. Yeah, I did the privilege escalation. I haven't done privilege escalation. The script had done for me. So it took. Please do privilege escalation. For what? There is no clarity in your question, dude. Bro, is it better to read a book or see a video tutorial? That depends. For me, reading a book is. For me, reading book is fine, but it depends on any other else. Okay, if you someone might feel the reading, uh, listening to the videos or seeing the videos might be helpful for someone. For me reading books is helpful. See, Jeevan, you can see, as I was saying, that you do in the Netmon, but script did. Thank you. Yes, yes, script did it. So if you so I will show you. You can see, if you don't have privileges, you can't go into this administrator. So do we need to master in Windows for hacking? Master in Windows? Not getting. Yeah, I did it. uh, .txt. So we got a flag here. So let me exit this thing. So that's how you can use psexec. Okay, so in order to connect to a machine, if it is having some admin shares out there for it. First flag, yes, yes. If you, I think I'll last for next 30 minutes or next 10 to 20 minutes. I think there is only one flag in hack the box machine. No, two flags: user flag and the root flag. Means, bro, what should we learn everything in Windows for hacking? So you need to learn what are the services, how you can, if you like, how to use Windows, how to hack the box premium membership. God bless you, bro. How to hack the box premium membership. That's too funny. Any more questions? I'll finish it out. So, and you can expect a video every day. Okay, I will be making a video on you can on both penetration testing and bug bounty hunting every day. Okay, every day I will make a video. So how can we connect to you? Yeah, Discord or and Twitter. So I'll provide you the links. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'll come back in a while. Just a minute. So what I'm doing is I'm getting the links. Okay, so just a minute. I got all my links. So, so I posted some links out there, and I'll also edit my description so that you can join there as well. So how can we connect to? Yeah, bro, are you in college? Uh, I'm in undergraduate. Okay, I'm an undergraduate right now. Bro, in penetration testing, do we learn everything we need to hacking? Yes, penetration testing is nothing but hacking. So penetration testing is like hacking plus bug bounty hunting. You'll involve both of them. So yeah, next time live at 10:30, please. Next time it might not be possible. Okay. Bro, what do you do for living? I'm studying. So should we know programming languages? Yes. If you know, uh, like if it is necessary to know Bash and Python, okay, so that they can help you. So in Pro, can I do BTech in cybersecurity from private institution? To be our college is offering cybersecurity specialization, okay, so you can learn in the college as well if your college is capable of teaching. So any more questions? Do we need to learn C for exploit development? See, exploit development is a different task, okay. If you want to learn penetration testing, uh, exploit development is not at all necessary, but you need to have a capability so that you can read any programming language, okay. Exploit development is different thing, okay. uh, I'm studying in KL University, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. Is it needed to learn C? Yeah, it is required to learn C, but yeah, can we crack OC being a self-taught hacker? No, can't. You need to have some guidance. We can do some stuff by self-learning, but we can't do all the things by self-learning. So it means it enough to learn Python. Python and Bash are required for hacking. That's fine. So still I stuck. So guys, I will be posting out the links out there. You can check me out on my Discord, Twitter, as well as I'm having a free course out there on Purpsuit, which is available on Udemy. You can definitely check that out. What is your suggestion for forensics and cybersecurity? I'm not I know little bit knowledge on forensics, but I'm not into that field. Okay, Bash means Linux Terminal Pro. Yes, and it's scripting as well. You can use Bash in order to script some, uh, in order to write some scripts which do your reconnaissance and some stuff automatically. Yes, they teach pen testing. Yes, they teach. We have a specialization right now in my university. I have very basics cleared in Bash and intermediate in Python. Please do live sessions like this often. No, this is not possible, Raj, because I'm having exams from my December 5th. So only today I'll post live. Yeah, bro. Thanks for an answer. Lot of questions. Ravi from Odisha. Jai Hind. So any more questions? And guys, you need to also check out my Purpsuit course. Okay, and yeah, that's available for free. Syllabus in the exam. It's confidential. I'm your neighbor. Odisha. Yeah, I know the man. Yeah, I'm seeing Gautam. So I made some videos. Okay, bro, what are you doing in computer science engineering? Have you done any certifications? Yes, I done CCNA, CEH, and right now I'm uh, looking forward to complete CEH practical. Okay, and then and in 2021 I'll be completing OSCP as well. You are bringing heroes. Okay, please some syllabus, please. Yeah, some syllabus is cryptography and network security. Those are some topics, and those are the topics, and you can find a ton of lessons. Like in network security, they will teach you how you can use Wireshark, like blue team, right? Uh, and in cryptography, they'll teach how what are the various cryptographic algorithms are there out there, and yes, how will you apply for jobs? There is no need. It is not necessary for me to apply jobs. Okay, I'm still studying. After completion, I will apply for jobs. Bro, do we need a master in network? Yes, you definitely need to master. So if you had seen previously that everything, so whenever even you want to attack a machine, you need to do an Nmap scan. So Nmap scan gives you a ton of information on networking. So you should definitely check the networking skills as well. Basics is not sufficient. You need to have some enough knowledge, more than enough knowledge. Okay, those are simple. Okay, you can definitely learn them. It hardly takes 2 to 3 days to complete it. Okay, can I really get jobs from Hack the Box? From Hack the Box? No, I'm not sure. I don't know, man, whether they are providing the jobs or not. What is difference between Rust scan, mask scan, and Nmap scan? So, so let me tell you what are Nmap and Rust scan. So Rust scan is nothing but an Nmap scan. Okay, so they modified in such a way that it runs faster, and mask scan is a different thing. Okay, so there is something like by using mask scan you can scan the whole internet, but the next day all the police and FBI will be outside your home. Okay, I can show you the thing mask scan, how to do, how Nmap work. I made a video, Hitesh, you can check that out in my channel. So Rust scan is nothing but similar to Nmap scan, but that is little bit faster. I know about OSML and some protocols. Cool. Bro, can you please make IP subnetting of your style of explanation detail? Yeah, sure. Sure, in the upcoming days. I'll add that to my list. So mask scan. So this is like, there is something like they marketed this as you can scan the whole internet. It can scan the whole internet under 6 minutes. Okay. So even though you scan it, you will face some legal problems. Okay, because some websites you should not be scanning, like military websites or some websites you should not scan them. If you scan them, then you need to face lots of consequences. Creamy link not work. Why it won't work? Let me, so what I'm providing you is my profile of Udemy. Okay, when you opened it, any plans on complete ethical hacking course? No, not at all, not now. And I'll make course on complete reconnaissance for bug bounty hunting. Ethical hacking colleges in India? No, I don't know, man. I'm not familiar with that term as well. And check the Discord as well, guys. Okay, so there are some many good stuff going out there on Discord. Okay, so I'm in 10th class. It's suitable time for me to learn hacking skills. If you are interested, time is nothing. Okay, time is nothing. If you are really interested, you can do wonders. It is illegal to use mask scan, why it's available, and what is the use for the normal people? See, mask scan is nothing but a scanning. Okay, so they market such a way that we can scan whole internet. But who does whole internet, man? We can simply scan a IP also. Okay, this is also similar to like an Nmap. Okay, but Nmap gives you more detail of information. What legal procedure we have to go before pen testing a web app? So no need of if the web application is having vulnerability disclosure team or security team, then you don't need to have any procedure. And if you are on HackerOne or Bugcrowd, then they will provide you what is in scope and what is not in scope. Profile also not opening through link. What? Why it is not opening? Or check out the check out the description. Okay, in description I think it will work. Or try to join my Discord. Okay, there I have all the ton of links. Even though you're 10th class, you need to require skills. Okay, class is nothing but, or age is nothing. Okay, if you have a necessary skills, you can definitely succeed in the career. Bro, do you know the book Penetration Testing by George Junius? Yeah, I know it. I'm not having the hard copy. It's used to be in my university in library. I read once, but that's a little bit old. I hope so. Yeah, the tools are a little bit old, but yeah, still that's a definitely good book to read. Where do you live? I'm from Andhra Pradesh, dude, India. Is it good? Yes, it's good. For beginners, it is good. Okay. And one thing is, books are like the oldest forms of data, because they get updated they get updated slowly. So sometimes videos also helps. Okay, which book to read? Yeah, the penetration book works fine. I think that's the book, that's the best book for beginners, I hope so. Penetration testing, there is something book, right? You can check that out, that's really fine. We love from, yeah, thank you. One bro, please show. Just a minute. I'll post the Amazon link. Okay, guys, just a minute. Penetration testing. You can buy that as well, but the cost is little bit more. So I'm 18. Which one, bro? Please. Okay, bro. Thanks. Oh, gonna download PDF from, yeah, you can. That's your wish. You can download it or not. I suggest Black Hat Python book to learn Python. No, the Black Hat Python book is based on Python 2. Okay, I read that book, but now if you had seen the trend, the Python 2 lifetime is completed. Even if you learn everything, it will not be useful in future. Okay, so make sure you learn anything that is sustainable in future as well. I read the Black Hat Python book. I think it is in Python 2, and Python 2 and Python 3 are different. Okay, so it will be like some modules might be available there, but not here. There will be some gimmicks. Any more questions? So if it's possible, any more question, guys? I'll be posting. I'm third year. Can I download PDF? I suggest. I'm third year student. You, the hacking is you do hacking on Linux, right? No, BTech, BTech. So you need to definitely learn Linux. Do I need to take science for hack? 11, 12. The thing you learn in 11, 12 won't be helpful, dude. Okay. I schedule videos for daily. Yes, I schedule. I'll release videos daily till December 3rd. Okay. So that book link is not opening. You need to add HTTPS at front. Okay. Copy the link and add HTTPS colon slash slash and then paste that link. Okay. The reason I removed the HTTPS is it's not allowing more than 200 characters in chat. So that's the reason I removed that. So any more questions? Only 5 minutes. Still, I'm only having 5 minutes of time. Should we learn Linux kernel? What you learn in Linux kernel, dude? I'm just asking. What will you learn in Linux kernel? Will you develop a Linux kernel, or what's your uh, meaning, or what's your aim in that? No, I'm not interested in GATE exam. How did you prepare for CEH? And it is really hard. It is hard if you don't know any knowledge. just leave what's the Linux kernel. Just learn what the kernel does. Okay, what the kernel does and leave it. You don't need to learn how to make a Linux kernel or anything about that. If you know anything regarding ethical hacking, and if you are having some knowledge, then you can definitely crack ethical hacking CH exam. But if you don't know, it will take some time. Okay, for me it took around I completed the CH within 2 weeks after completion of my uh, training by the EC Council. Do we solve the issue of dynamic IP before creating reversal? There is a problem, dude. I will tell you that later. Okay, it goes beyond. You go for gate or government exam or hacking career. That's your choice. Virtual comms of CH is nothing but hacking. It will start from information gathering. Yeah, that's all. Information gathering, exploitation, cloud cloud computing, IoT. They'll give you a little bit of knowledge on that. Yeah, just learning about how it works is fine. The kernel is the main thing. Okay, it manages your hardware, software, everything. Okay, so uh, if you are a little bit familiar with exploits, okay, there is something called kernel exploits. Okay, completed CH in second year. When I was in second year, I completed the exam. Just check a video, Hitesh. Okay, there are many videos out there on what kernel does. Check that out. Any more questions? 3 more minutes or your career planning. I'll be I'll be doing freelancing. Okay, I'll not work. I'll mostly not work anywhere. If I get a good opportunity, I'll definitely work, or else I will definitely do freelancing. Okay, you can take it. See, don't put your legs on every ship out there. You'll definitely sink. Take one topic, complete it, and then go to the next step. If you put your legs on two boats, then it will definitely sink. Bro, I have heard that if I have learned about cryptography subject in engineering, can I clear CH? No, cryptography is just a small part in CH. There cryptography is different and hacking is different. Okay, hacking is everything. Cryptography is how you encrypt and how you decrypt. That's all. That's everything regarding what is cryptography. Just don't get confused. Okay, don't look into everything. Fix a target, complete it, and then go to the next step. Don't try to join my Discord server. Okay, I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, how to do practice of penetration testing by playing CTF, Hack the Box, and Try Hack Me. Okay, guys, I posted the link of my Discord server. You can join, and we are playing some. Yeah, do Hack the Box and go with Try Hack Me. Yes, don't go with Hack the Box for the first time because you'll get confused. Bro, before going, just want to tell your videos are easy to understand for beginners. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Raj. Glad you really liked it. Active expert is professional. Yes, he's professional. Even Gautam is professional. Any more questions? I'll keep on posting the Discord link. Okay, so check that out. I have read two, three books, but I can't get practical. Reading is just fine, but you need to apply the practical. You need to apply the knowledge what you read. So you can exceed in anything you have. Okay, so we can read. you'll feel like information gathering, if you read it will be simple, but if you worked on real machine, then you'll understand what's happening and how you can do that. So reading is necessary, but you need to also have practical knowledge. So that I recommend you to uh, use use TryHackMe and Hub. Okay, so we get paid for content creation. No blogs. That's all. No website gives you money for writing blogs. Okay. Learning hacking late night for how many hours daily? For you or for me? See, there is nothing like how many hours or how much time. You need to learn it as soon as you get it. Okay, so that's my aim. Until you get it, keep on learning. Keep on learning. Whether it might be late night, whether it might be whole night, anything is fine. Learn completely till you get it. That's all. Do you know Hindi? I can understand Hindi language. I watch some movies. Basically, I know our mother tongue is Telugu. Okay, but I can understand Hindi as well. Yeah, any more questions? I will stay for much more some longer time. I think my classes are scheduled for from afternoon. Okay, so yes. Any more questions? I'll definitely help you out. So any more suggestion, guys? Could you provide me some good suggestions to the next videos? Okay, so are you in CS stream? Yes, I'm from cybersecurity stream. Any more frameworks or any more thing you want to cover in my channel? How do you hack online classes? Telnet enumeration. Yes, that's fine. Telnet enumeration is simple. Okay, so if you had seen my netcat video, what we'll do is we'll try to connect to it, and then we'll try to do the banner grabbing. Make a video on fat rat. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's already in my list. Fat rat and whale evasion are in my list. Android bug bounty hunting. No, I don't know Android bug bounty hunting. I need to learn it. Yeah, I know web app penetration testing, but I don't know Android app penetration testing. I definitely I'll that's my plan for 2021 to learn that. How to hack online classes? Just open a VM. Okay, create a Windows 10 VM. Open your class there. Close that down. It's fine. That's how to hack online classes, bro. Can you do a video on browser exploitation framework? Yeah, sure. I'll show you how you can use that browser exploitation framework. Yeah, I'll note down some points. No need, no need. Can you use patch Windows 7 on VirtualBox? Yes, you can use. See, even though if it's patched or unpatched, VirtualBox. I had already made a video on how to use beef over WAN. You can check the post out there on Get Security. Yeah, even though if you use the patched or unpatched software of Windows 7, Windows OS, it's in VirtualBox, dude. Who attacks that VirtualBox? Just think. Video got removed, but that's still available on Jet Security webpage. Or just a minute. Or Vedant, do one thing. There is something called there's something called Libri TV. Okay, check that out. I posted the video there as well. Now you have two monitors and how it helps you. Yeah, I'll extend the screen. Okay, I will use the same screen on two monitors. So once one side I can look into some stuff, I can learn, and one side I can practice. It will be really helpful. Do we have anything like 2 years? I think a third year is coming. So if you want to check that out, okay, post just a minute. Technical Sagar, yeah, I heard of him. I heard of him. As I told you, I'm not much into Hindi. Just is Rock tunnel for hacking Android van bad for privacy? If yeah, see in Rock also there are some things like TCP, HTTP, and HTTPS. So if you know what is HTTP, HTTPS is sending the data in an unencrypted format. So if you are using HTTP, then that's bad for privacy. But if you are using TCP or HTTPS, that would be fine. So I posted my Twitter link. Okay, so I'll post some resources out there, so you can check that out as well. How to bypass Google Play Store security checkup for apps? There is an option in Play Protect. Okay, to turn off, if you turn off the Play Protect, then you can bypass security checks. To do 11th and 12th for BTech. Yes, need to do it, man. Without intermediate, or if you can call 11th and 12th, you'll be not getting admission in undergraduate. Sorry. Ngirock can log your data transfer. I don't know, dude. That's their private policy. Okay, if you had read that policy, they'll say that we will not do that. But in deep down, we all know that every company maintains log, but they don't read it. Okay, if they read it, then it might be uh, getting no COVID, no COVID. What is I do diploma for BTech? I'm not much into diploma, dude. I'm just into BTech. That's all. You cannot install old GNOME. To be frank, I liked XFCE more than GNOME, okay? Because it's much more faster. If you compare the speed, XFCE more faster. Like it just took 5 to 10 seconds. Uh, it just took 5 to 10 seconds to launch my Kali Linux. We need speed, okay? Even though GNOME is looking fine, broken, yeah, it's not. I don't feel, dude. Vedant, I don't feel it is broken. It is fine. If you have a root user, then you can definitely do that out. Right now I'm using the latest version of Kali Linux. Okay, you can check that out. And ZSH is also fine. I like the way ZSH is uh, helping users to autocomplete. Can we install old Kali? Yes, you can install, but sometimes you need to have some tools that are updated, and if you want to update those tools, you should definitely update whole machine. So using old Kali Linux is fine, but it is not at all practical all the time. GNOME is lovely, but like yes, XC is much faster, right, bro? Yes, GNOME is one of the best DE, but fastest is the XFCE. Yes, yes. You started using XFCE, you will fall in love with that as well. But since all we guys are using what you call virtual machines, so virtual machines we provide a little even KD plasma first, yes, but I'm not familiar with that. So if you are using virtual machines, I definitely recommend you using this XFC. Anna, how root is in red color? I haven't done anything. It came by default. Is black arc? See, black arc is different. Okay, even the size of the ISO file is 20 GB. You will get all the tools. and for installation it will take 100 GB, minimum 100 GB of space is required. So I don't prefer black arc. See, we need to prefer an operating system which is consuming more resources and helps us in our daily tasks. No, you need to edit this file dot bash rc. There will be a file called .bashrc. If you edit that file, you will get it in red color. That's a different thing. I'll tell you in Discord. Okay, Gautam, don't worry. Bro, I'm in 10th, but enough knowledge of practical. See, age is nothing. Okay, if you have knowledge, if you know how the things work and how to use them, then you can do wonders. Okay, there is no requirement of age for doing pen testing. Okay, but make sure you learn everything, the everything you are checking out perfectly to hacking, then that's fine. Even hacking is not fine. Okay, you need to learn how you are hacking also. Okay, what's happening while we are doing how we hacked into machine also we should know. Go to rm minus r. You should also know how you are hacking that, then you can do some good thing. Any more questions? Till in ninth. Buy some time missions. Okay. Any more questions? Will be there for more time. Third year. How hackers hack Twitter account of popular persons? Yeah, they hacked into. There is no official report, but most of the people are saying that they hacked the admin of Twitter. Okay, the administrator of Twitter, and then they gone to their accounts. So if you can that what we can do if you are an admin, right? So that's how it happened. Not Bill Gates. This is not the mistake of Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, or anyone. That's the problem of the Twitter only. Okay, the administrator was not good. Okay, not good at the time, so he gave access to the these guys, these bad guys. That's simply social engineering, right? Simply social engineering. Requisites of cybersecurity. Yeah, Linux networking, penetration testing. That's all. There is no god type requirements. It should not be disclosed. Okay, Kanan. I got money, but I should not. The company had told not to disclose the amount. I participate in called private bounties. Okay, I should not disclose it. Yeah, I got some good amount. How to hack Satvik Khanna? Yeah, go and ask him. And what questions you are asking? Only we can see one screen that is Kali because there is another screen for me. You can see that's a sneak peek. So I'm reading comments on one screen and reading comments on. I'm doing it on another screen. I'll be there for next 15 minutes and then we'll wind up the session. Okay. So you can post your questions. How much knowledge Jay's have? Who knows, man? Yeah, he's really good, man. How you can doubt his knowledge? He's one of the best instructor out there for hacking. Okay, I feel he's one of the best thing. One of the best. I feel like Cyber Mentor or the Heath Adams and Jade Sabi are the best. You have to. Yes, it is necessary because one screen for monitoring and one screen where you can hack. And I'm in 10th. Will you help me my future education for plan? Yeah, I'll definitely help you. If it is, I can definitely help you. I'm helping out many guys. Thank you. Is JE good for BTech? Yeah, good. When you started pen test, I started well. I was in BTech first year. Then during that time, I was noob. Okay, I just used it to clone some tools. I just used it to use them. That's all. And then from BTech second year, I started learning how those tools are working. Okay, I coded some tools, but yeah, like I started learning how they are working and how to use them efficiently. Okay, and then I got touch with some good industrial people, and then it started. What is action? Offensive security certified professional? That's the meaning of OSCP. So I'll be posting Discord server once again, Discord server link once again. Make sure you join that, okay? So that if you need any offline support, okay, I can't always help you from comments, but after OSCP, uh, I'll be launching a consultancy, like coaching center, okay, where we give coaching to some things like bug bounty hunting and things like that. So after OSCP, that would be my last certificate, most probably. Have you ever thought about programming on ethical hacking during 11th? I used to have, I used to do some gimmicks, like I used to do some tricks. You should not call it hacking, but I used to do some tricks from ninth onwards. I used to have a mobile phone, and there I used to have some SMS bomber, yeah, some stuff, some funny stuff I used to play on my friends. Then it converted to hacking in the meantime. See, you just need a right time, dude. That's all. You don't need to start learning from pre-KG onwards. Okay, you just need a right time. That's all. One right time, you can change everything. You need to wait till your time comes. Not meaning what is actually to do after gaining OSCP. Yeah, there are many certifications after OSCP. So OSCP is like, it is showing the skill that you are having. You know how to do penetration testing. That's all. A simple port scanner on my own, and I'm in 10th. Is it good? Good port scanner is not at all a difficult thing. For me, it took just 5 minutes. Yeah, there are many certifications out there, okay, but the you need to choose what's the right thing. That's if you want to be a better uh, programmer, you need to develop some good tools, big tools, okay. So they port scanner and stuff are more. So I also created a port scanner, but that's much more faster. Okay, I'm using something called concept of threading. The marks in 12th, 970. I hope so. 97%. There are many paid Udemy courses, free on course. You should not download them. You should not download them. You need to respect their effort, man. Okay, you should respect their effort. 10th, 9.3, 93%. Yeah, I was not a good student in 10th and inter. Okay. Not good student at all. Then in BTech, everything good happened to me. That's the reason I told you need to wait for right time. Any more questions? Yeah, there is still 9 more minutes. Can wind up the session. Okay, so guys, come on, post your questions. Any more questions? I am definitely help you out. I'm interested in programming languages and learning in Bubsuit in full good. You need to retain. Okay, learning is fine, but you also need to retain the stuff that you learned when that is necessary. To be frank, you guys should not start this from this much earlier. You need to learn what the world is. You need to have some uh, general knowledge, means not the GK questions, but you need to have knowledge on how the world is and how people behaves, and you need to have that kind of knowledge. But I had seen most of you guys are started hunting for these things. They just take some time, okay? But yeah, that's fine. Learning is fine, but you should also have some good knowledge. I learned many concepts of hacking that people learned in 12th. So what, man? So what? So you are telling that you are great, right? Cyber mentor course for yes, it's good. See, don't compare with anyone else. Don't compare anyone else, okay? Everyone has their own time, okay? Saying that I should do more and I should resume for that's your wish. PTF challenges with us pro. In that yeah, 5 more minutes. We'll wind up the session. Any more questions? Oh, sorry, I was not meant to say that I'm not. Oh, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not telling that like that, okay? Telling that everyone and everything comes to you in right place and right time, okay? You might be thinking that what with Anna one doubt tools for bug bounty hunting because I saw that you are doing bug bounty and video. Yes, Gautam, I'm making a video on bug bounty hunting, okay? Stay tuned, okay? I'll definitely am making a video on that. I only have burp in my burp suit in my Windows. The two professional edition. So okay guys, I think it's time to wind up the session. Any more doubts? Still, if you're having any more doubts, make sure you comment that out in my Discord server, okay? I'll definitely help you out there. Not only me, there are some guys like Gautam, Vedant, and these guys will definitely help you if you are facing any issues. Okay, so that's it for today. Yeah, you're welcome. But don't get hype, okay? Don't get over hype. Mac, join Discord server, bro. He will help you the same way. How is help? Yeah, okay. So thank you for staying tuned, guys. So yeah, I'll ending up the session. So really thank you, and you can check out my Discord server if you haven't found, if you're watching this video or not, if you had watched this pre-recorded video, you can find my links in the description. Okay, check them out. So this is Satvik signing off. Bye bye for today.